Valentin Debise delivered another masterclass performance in Race 1 of the World Supersport Championship at Misano, securing a crucial victory that further boosts his championship ambitions. The French rider once again demonstrated why he has become one of the most consistent and dangerous contenders on the 2026 World SSP grid. From the moment the lights went out, Debise looked completely in control. Showing impressive pace and race management, he kept himself at the front of the field while several of his closest rivals struggled to match his rhythm. As the laps counted down, the Frenchman continued to build his advantage and crossed the finish line to claim another important victory of the season. The win was also a significant result for Zxmoto factory Evenbros Racing. Since joining forces with the emerging Chinese manufacturer, Debise has played a key role in transforming the Zxmoto 820RR into a genuine race-winning machine. What many initially viewed as an ambitious project is now proving capable of challenging the established World SSP powerhouses. One of Debise's greatest strengths this season has been his consistency. While other title contenders have experienced crashes, mechanical problems, or difficult weekends, the French veteran has continued to score heavily at nearly every round. That reliability is becoming one of the biggest factors in the championship battle. Misano has traditionally been a circuit where experience matters, and Debise used all of his knowledge to maximum effect. His smooth riding style, strategic tire management, and ability to remain calm under pressure allowed him to control the race from start to finish. The victory sends a strong message to the rest of the paddock. With the championship entering a critical phase, Valentin Debise is no longer simply chasing podiums. He is positioning himself as a serious contender for the 2026 World Supersport crown. While local attention may have focused on Indonesian rider Aldi Satya Mahendra scoring valuable points, Race 1 at Misano ultimately belonged to Valentin Debise. If he can maintain this level of performance throughout the remainder of the season, the Frenchman and Zxmoto could be on course for one of the most remarkable championship stories in recent World SSP history.